Hey guys, hope you're all doing good. Once again, welcome back to my channel. We'll make this healthier and tastier Ragi Methi Dosa. For that, all you need is these 4 ingredients. Half cup of Urad dal. To this, we'll add 3/4 cup of methi and half a cup of poha. We'll soak all these ingredients for 3 hours. To which all you have to do is grind these soaked ingredients to a fine paste. To this we'll add some ragi flour. Here I have taken 2.5 glasses of ragi flour and I'm grinding it in batches. Among all the ingredients, the quantity of ragi flour is more, and yes, as you're seeing it here, grind it smooth and thick, after which all you have to do is allow it to ferment for 6 to 7 hours or overnight. Here I'm adding some salt after fermentation. As it is quite thick, you can add some water and get it to the consistency of normal urad dal dosa. Our batter is ready now, so we'll make dosa out of it. Just like any other dosa, spread some batter on the hot tawa, brush some oil and then cover it. As I cover with the lid, I do not flip over dosa. And yes, our hot, healthy Ragi Methi Dosa is ready. You can surely serve it with coconut chutney. So guys, give it a try and let me know how it was in the comment section. If you have liked my video, please hit like, do share with your friends and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And we'll meet with the new tasty recipe. Until then, take care of yourselves. Have a nice day.